Imagine this. Tomorrow morning you wake up, step outside, and discover that everyone has the exact same face. No more strangers. No more loved ones. No way to tell apart your parents, your friends, or the person you love. Just billions of identical copies walking the earth. Sounds like science fiction. But the more interesting question is, why has this never actually happened? There's a strange thing almost everyone has experienced. When we look at a flock of birds, a school of fish, or a herd of sheep, we tend to think they all look the same. But put 40 people in a classroom, and you can recognize every single face instantly. So, are animals really identical to each other? Or is the human brain simply wired to spot the differences within our own species? Scientists believe the answer lies in millions of years of evolution. Humans lived in groups. To survive, our ancestors had to remember who could be trusted, who had betrayed them, who was family, and who was a stranger. One small mistake in recognition could mean losing food or losing your life. So the brain slowly evolved into an extraordinarily precise facial recognition machine. Just a slight difference in the eyes, the nose, or a smile is enough for you to know exactly who you're looking at. Here's the fascinating part. Uniqueness doesn't stop at the face. No two people share the exact same fingerprint. No two people have voices that match perfectly. Even your DNA is a combination that has never existed before and will never exist again. That's why your parents gave you life. But you were never a copy of them. You may carry traits from both of them, but you'll never be a complete replica of either. You carry a piece of each. Yet you became a version of a person history has never seen before. Now consider this. If everyone truly looked identical, would love at first sight even exist? Would art, fashion, or personality still exist? Would you still feel like yourself if nothing set you apart from billions of others? Perhaps. Evolution's greatest miracle wasn't creating human beings. It was creating billions of human beings without ever making a single duplicate. Somewhere in this vast universe, there may be planets like Earth. There may be stars like the sun. But one thing is nearly certain. There will never be a second you. Each person carries their own thoughts, makes their own choices, wears a face that belongs to no one else, and lives a life unlike any other. That, in the end, is the meaning of life.